Hey guys, Aaron here. Today we're going to go over putting some new wiper blades on the 997.1. This probably applies to pretty much any Porsche. Specifically, this is the model number for this car. I'm going to put a link to these down in the description, but if all you need to know is the orientation, this one over here is going to go on the driver's side, in the US that is. It has this little wind deflector piece. It's going towards the front of the car, and the other blade over here is curved. I don't know if you can see that. This one is the curved one, and it goes over on the passenger side. Now, the most important tip I can give you about this, as in any wiper blades, is when you lift your old ones up, make sure you slide something, a towel, cloth, something under where this makes contact, because when it's up, if it accidentally snaps down, it will crack your windshield. Don't ask me how I know that. So after something protective is in place, all you have to do is lift these up. And this one has little grippy pads on here. And you just pop it out like that. It opens up, and then you can see the little hook inside. So this piece right here stays on the car. It's just a little hook that wraps around the blades, and you can pull the blade straight down, the wiper blade, and then you can detach the two pieces by sliding it right out of that hole. And this is the dangerous part. If this snaps down, it's like a rock hitting your windshield at, I don't know, a lot of miles an hour. So this is our new blade. It is slightly different. You're gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna get it in here, and then you're gonna slide it up, and it just attaches with that other piece. So the way you put this on or take it off is there is a little piece you can depress here, and that lets it slide under that. And if you pull it all the way up, it should snap into place. All right, so when you pull it up, you can see if it's all the way in place there. You should be able to push down on the blade and it doesn't come loose. That's how you know it is all the way attached. We'll slide our protection out of the way, and you can lay it down on the windshield. On this side, the bend goes this way. It kind of follows the hood line, but there's only one way that you can attach it, so don't worry about getting it backwards. And there we go, under 5 minutes, you got brand new wipers installed yourself, and you'll be able to see in the rain now. So congrats. Please give the video a thumbs up, guys, if this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next Porsche 911 video.